After Chandrayaan-3, ISRO gears up to explore our source of energy, the Sun. ISRO launched Aditya L1 mission on Saturday. This is India's first ever mission to study the Sun. It has 7 different payloads on board. Here are 10 lesser known facts about Aditya L1 mission.
Aditya L1 will travel 1.5 million kilometers in 4 months and reach the Lagrangian point 1, or L1, in space, which is about 1% of the Earth's distance. The Lagrangian point 1 is the position in space where the gravitational force of Earth and the Sun virtually cancels, and with minimum fuel, ISRO can maintain their spacecraft there. Visible Line Emission Coronagraph (VLC) on ISRO's Aditya L1 mission will show the Sun as if it's in a solar eclipse. This is because it's positioned at the L1 spot, which gives a clear and unobstructed view of the sunday. This will be the first mission which will look at the most inner part of the corona. The Visible Emission Line Coronagraph (VLC), the primary payload of Aditya L1, will be sending 1,440 images per day to the ground station for analysis on reaching the intended orbit. Below its exterior, the Aditya L1 spacecraft, which is about the size of a small refrigerator, weighs around 1,500 kilograms. Its tough build, made of high-tech carbon fiber materials, helps it withstand the tough conditions of space. The spacecraft is powered by modern solar panels and a strong battery. It also has a high-resolution camera that can take super detailed pictures of the Sun, each pixel spanning a mere 100 kilometers. It is expected to operate for a minimum of 5 years, and during this time, it could greatly enhance our knowledge of how the Sun influences Earth's weather and space conditions. Indian institutes that are part of this mission are Indian Institute of Astrophysics, (IIA), and Inter-University Centre for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Pune. This is a unique mission because it will be able to observe the solar corona from the place where it almost starts. It will also be able to observe the magnetic field changes in the solar atmosphere, which are the cause for coronal mass ejections or solar quakes. NASA and the European Space Agency have sent many spacecraft to the center of the solar system, but India is the first Asian country to put an object into orbit around the Sun.
Thus, Aditya L1 mission is crucial because it helps us to understand how Sun works and the danger that can pose to Earth. This knowledge is essential not only for safety purpose, but also for the proper functioning of things like electricity, internet, and the satellite that we rely on globally. In simple terms, it's important for every one of us to have this information because our modern world depends upon it.